G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Just going to run you through a diagnostic process for this crank no start Audi SQ5 that we've got in. It's a turbo diesel model. Essentially it had a leaking number 4 injector, and I'll just run you through the process of how we found the issue, and we'll put this up as a repair solution on the TAT database. Stick with us. So obviously we're checking the basics with this thing. We checked for codes on the scan tool, and as you can see the code that we got relating to rail pressure, and then obviously we cranked it to make sure if we had rail pressure or not, and clearly we're having little to no rail pressure at all. So the first thing we did was obviously go underneath the vehicle, and clearly it's quite easy to access these fuel filters. So we just put our inline fuel pressure gauge on the low pressure side, confirm we've got low pressure supply, and as you can see we definitely do have low pressure supply here. So what we did is we came to the engine bay. Obviously we had a look there. The injectors are really easy to get to, the injector pipes are easy to get to, so super quick test, deadhead the rail and see if our injector pump or our high pressure fuel pump can make pressure or not. So we just grabbed these blanking caps. These are really easy to obtain. There's quite a few shops that sell these. So undid the injector pipes, blanked off the rails, cranked it, and we got high pressure. So that proved to us that one of our injectors was leaking, whether via return or not. So we did a back leak test, and the injectors were not leaking out of the return side. So what we found is that the number 4 injector was leaking directly into the sump area. We had an overfull sump. Our reduced oil light came on the center console of this, and what we did to just confirm which injector it was, because obviously we had to confirm which injector was leaking, other than blocking off one injector at a time. Quick test, we could tell there was a little bit of low compression, so we just threw the picoscope on with a relative compression test and a sync, and as you can see here we got the firing water out, and we could see the low compression peak here, and that pointed us in the direction of it possibly being number 4. So we blocked off number 4 only, and the vehicle started. So that confirmed for us that was the actual fault, and replaced the number 4 injector, and it was fixed. So that was the process we went through. So by having the blank off caps, it's actually made it relatively easy for us to find out why this vehicle was not starting. And if you haven't got a set of these are easy to find, and most tool suppliers, really great for crank no starts on diesels. So this is going to go up as a repair solution on the TAT site, so if you're not a part of TAT, make sure you jump on board and check out all the other repair solutions. Thanks, and see you next time.